Good morning. It was a good night's sleep last night. Really comfy beds. This pod actually stays really warm. It's cold outside. It was raining first thing this morning, but we've managed to light the fire, and we're going to try and make some pancakes on the fire today. Later on, the plans to go to Blackpool, go grab some fish and chips, have a look around, and do some more vlogging and see where the day takes us. Alright, so the pancakes didn't quite work out. My fire sadly died a horrible death. But now I'm going to go to the shower block and I'm anticipating a cold one. So as it turned out, it wasn't a cold shower, it was a lovely hot shower, so I'm really grateful for that. I'm going to head now into Blackpool and go and explore. Welcome to Blackpool. Check out some amusements, I think, now, and we'll get something sweet later, and then we'll head off. Oh, God. I'm sure it's lovely in summer. It's safe to say we've not come away from Blackpool empty-handed. We've got candy floss,
Got 5 sticks of rock for about £2, I think it was in total, and some fudge. So diabetes in a bag basically. We're gonna head off now, but I definitely recommend Blackpool. Great place to come for a day or so, and also don't forget to check out Stanley Villa Farm Camping. Amazing pods, great time there. I'll leave the link in the description box below if you want to book a hut there. Do act quick, they are going to go quite fast. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next vlog. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also follow me on social media, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and I'll see you on the next video. See you later.